Hey guys, we have a little teaser video from Cousin Mel, and I know that you won't want to miss this, so stay tuned.
Hey everybody, it's Mel. Just checking in to say hi. It's August 17th, so it is still summer, but I am dying to decorate for fall. I've done a little bit, not a lot. I actually put this sign up last night just because I'm getting ready. It's so hard for me. I have not pulled out my plastic bins and started opening them up yet, but I did put a few things around. So, and I'm also going to do a tour with Anne, I don't know, probably in a couple weeks. I'm trying to be good, and I'm trying to hold on to summer. I mean, after last year when we couldn't do anything, it's great to have the summer where we can finally do things. So I have been busy and having a fun summer. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what's going on around here. Probably not too much different than the last video that Ann and I did in the summer, because I did a lot of just beiges and a lot of birdhouses and that kind of thing, and a lot of galvanized tin. So this room is my mudroom, pretty much the same. Like I said, that's the start of my fall in this room. But I did order a pillow from Shannon, my friend Shannon, at Blooming Aster Vintage. That's going to go right there. It's going to be a pumpkin pillow, so the zip code pillow will go, and the pumpkin pillow will go in. So anyway, yeah, this is just this corner of the room. That's another Blooming Aster Vintage pillow, my home pillow. Shannon does a beautiful job with the pillows. And, oh my gosh, I just love her. So anyway, just a few little changes I did in the kitchen. I added this basket, like the straw basket purse thing. I had greens in there, like all through the spring and in the summer. And then yesterday I stopped and got some yellow flowers because I thought, oh, I was going to do orange. And then I said, no, I just don't want to do too much, like, I don't want to say tacky, but kind of tacky, autumn stuff. So just adding a couple of the yellow flowers to that corner over there, and then this basket just kind of draws the two together. So, and then I changed out some of my candles and went for more of like the warmer, wintry ones. Like this company has, just different mulled cider and different kind of fall candles. So, kitchen's about the same other than that. I have my tins, my little obsession of tins over there, and then my little coffee area, even though I don't drink it, and Anne's favorite place, the towels I don't use because I don't cook. So, yeah, so this is just back in the kitchen again. Just a little touch of, oh, that's a little different. I actually probably didn't have that before. I bought that and then added some flowers to it just to kind of, I don't know, throw a little bit more galvanized air in that corner with all my tins. And then, of course, here's my stove I don't use with my noodle board, and I did throw a little piece of fall in there. I did find him at, I don't know, I forgot where I got him. But anyway, he is my little piece of fall. And then just an orange candle that's in one of the old scoopers to kind of add a little color with the little pumpkin man. And then, of course, we go into the dining room. I did add that fall, just the fall letters. I got those at Country Bumpkins from my girl Lainey. Hi, Lainey. Yeah, I started, and then I like them with the bottles, the kind of the amber color bottles. That looks kind of cool there, and with the scales. And this is the same, the birdhouse, and then I did this candle too. Like I said, those kind of look a little bit more fall-y than the white candles. And my favorite little pie safe with all my little people in there, all my nieces and nephews and great nieces and nephews, my family. And my niece made me this. I don't know if you guys remember that. It's really cool. She actually gave me that for, I think it was Christmas. She's very artistic. The other side, she has the hen house, but I like them both. An item's nest, chicken, the coop, simply blessed. Yep. But I like the Mel's Mercantile sign. So anyway, that is that. This is the same, just a little bit of a corner with the farm sign, and then I think I'm going to leave that even for the fall. I like the gourd and I like the beast keep, so I think I'm just going to leave those. And then we cruise into my living room. And yeah, I did get a little folly in here. I added my pillow covers with the pumpkins on them. So even though they're but what I like about it, it's like if you look around this room, it looks kind of folly, but it's not like throw up at you orange folly. It's more the beiges, which I really like this year. So there's another really pretty pillow from Shannon at Blooming Aster Vintage. And then I changed my box a little bit. I added just the fillers, and then I found, I guess, I don't know what these are called, but that's kind of the big thing now, these wooden rope things. So it kind of fills in the space a little bit in the box, and so I just add a couple candles in that. So that kind of fills in that area over there. And like I said, then I did my Tattered and Spun Life pillow covers with just the beige pumpkins. And then I found this at Primitive Goods with Jean. These are fake sunflowers, but they are awesome. I totally love them. So that fills in a little bit of fall there. And then in my window seat, I have my Tattered and Spun Life pillows. Those ones, the pillow covers. So they had a kind of a touch of green, which I like too, because it pretty much is almost the same green as the paint on my wall. And that is about it in here for now. Oh, and then I did actually, yeah, this box is new. I bought this box at Primitive Goods as well. And that I'm actually using as magazines and books and stuff that can store. It's actually really cool. Sorry, well, I kind of open it up and show you, but it opens up. So I have well, hello. Stay open. I have magazines in there too. Oh no. So, yeah. That's that. And then just kind of a trip by the porch. Porch is the same, my favorite spot. And I was pretty psyched today. The local hardware store has mums. So I have some pretty yellow flowers out there that I had, the black-eyed Susans. But then I bought a couple of mums. I'm so excited. Little things. It's the little things. There's a couple mums out there. So I'm pretty psyched about those. So this room is just always my favorite room. Oh, there's a cool car that just went by. And it's very loud. I have a very loud street sometimes. And then we'll just pop in the room a minute. The only thing I really did in here was I threw my burnt orange blanket, my burnt orange pillow, and then my other burnt orange pillow to just add a pop of color in here without being too much. And then in the basket on the end of my bed, on my little bench, I just added my pumpkin pillows. So that one I got a few years ago from Marshall's. The cable knit pillow, the cable knit blanket, and the other one, those were all from Target. Those were last year. I looked online, and they do have some burnt orange pillows like that. They're a little bit different. They're not as much of the cable knit, but I just really love that color. I think it's just a good basic color, and there I am. Hey! That's about it in my room, and in here, this is about the same. My little hallway here in between the bathroom and the bedrooms. And then my guest room is pretty much the same. I just added these pillows with the pumpkins from Blooming Aster Vintage, and then one right there on the chair. So there's kind of an overview of the guest room. I actually am having a guest next weekend, so it's ready for you when you come, Chris. Yeah, so there's my guest room. It's all set for fall, because this is about as much as I'm going to do in here. So like I said, it's just a quick overview, just to say hi, see how you guys are doing, and to let you know I will be doing some more decorating, but right now this is my fall. So we'll